శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 892nd డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 67th చాప్టర్. సూత మహర్షి గివింగ్ హిజ్ డిస్కోర్స్ టు Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, Brihadasva Maharshi narrating the story of Nala Damayanti to Dharmaraju, saying like this: O Dharmaja, Nala with the name of Bahuka, he went to Rituparna Maharaju, introduced himself to him and said that I can take care of horses. There is no one who can be compared to me in that kind of profession. So I can also take care of all the cooking things. I know all those things very well. Please take care of me. Bharasvamam. You can appoint me. I will do all these things. Like that, when Bahuka requested Rituparna Maharaju, then Maharaju says, yes, Bahuka, you can be here. You take care of my horses. Make sure my horses runs fast and becomes very strong. If you do that, I will promote you as a master of that, all the horses. And your salary is going to be Satam, 100, that means 10,000. Here is two persons, they are taking care of horses, Varshneya, Jivala. You can be with them, they will help you. Like that, Rituparna Maharaju said. Then Bahuka started living with Varshneya, Jivala. That Bahuka, that means Nala, every day evening used to say this sloka: Kvanu sakshut pipasartha Shranta sete tapasvini smaranti tasya mandasya kam vasadyopatishtati. While remembering Damayanti, that Nala used to say this sloka every day evening. That means with hunger and thirsty, how much of trouble that woman is facing, and where she is sleeping, and under whose care she is living. Like that he used to say. One of those days, Jivala asked, Hey Bahuka, whom you are thinking about? Who is she? Like that, when Jivala asked, Nala, that Bahuka gave kind of different answer like, she is the wife of one stupid. That stupid left her in the forest. Ever since then, he is not sleeping well. Like that, he gave some kind of answer. That is how Bahuka, Nala, he is living in the country of Rituparna Maharaju without letting anyone notice him, identify him. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Srimannarayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. Srimannarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimannarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.